If you have been dreaming of studying in New Zealand, but the tuition fees are too high, then this video might change everything for you. Today, I'll show you a school in New Zealand that offers scholarship and even a zero tuition pathway program for international students. Welcome back to Trip Talk, where we show you real opportunities to study, work, and travel abroad. If this is your first time here, make sure you subscribe because I post verified opportunities regularly. The Southern Institute of Technology, also known as SIT, is one of the institutions in New Zealand offering affordable education for international students. They have campuses in places like Invercargill and Queenstown, and they offer programs in business, IT, engineering, nursing, and hospitality. Now let's talk about what makes this school very interesting. SIT offers what is called zero-fee English scholarship. This means you can study English in the New Zealand without paying tuition fee. This program is designed for students who do not yet meet English language requirements, want to prepare for academic study, want to enter degree programs later. After completing the English program, you can move into diploma programs, bachelor degrees, postgraduate studies. So this is not just an English program, it is a pathway to study fully in the New Zealand. Apart from the zero fees program, SIT also offers international student scholarships, program-specific funding, government-funded scholarships for some countries. This can help reduce tuition fee costs significantly. To apply, you typically need academic transcripts, international passports, English text like IELTS if it is required, personal statement. Each program may have slightly different requirements. Many students don't know that a program like this exists. Instead of spending a lot of money upfront, you can start with a low-cost or zero-fee pathway and build your way up. This is one of the smartest ways to study abroad. I have written a full step-by-step guide on my website explaining how to apply, available scholarships, important tips. Check the link in the description. And if you want more opportunities like this, subscribe and turn on the notifications.